Now let's say if you want to filter this data. So for that, first of all, just select the data. So for selecting data, you just go to the initial cell and then drag it until here, and then go to tools. What do we see? Do we see a filter option? No. Then go to data. Here we see this option called auto filter. So click on it and you will be seeing these down arrows. So basically now it has added a feature for filtering the data. So it will, if you click on the down arrow, you will be shown all the unique values. So you can, let's say, unselect or deselect that, and then you can select the values that you want to see in the table. So select the values and then click on OK, and you will be shown the selected values only. If you want to further filter it, then you can do that for different columns. So let's say here we are seeing only 4 active selections because rest are filtered out by this particular filter or column. So let's say we want only 2 values, North Korea and US. So click on OK, and then those not selected values will also be removed from the table, at least in the view. And then yeah, this is the data that you have. Now if you want to remove the filter, you can just go to data and then click on auto filter again to remove the filter from the selected data or table. So this is how you filter values in LibreOffice Calc.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.